Sharon will be playing the part of Old Bird 1. Marge will be playing the part of Old Bird 2.
All right.
And I will be narrating. This is our, are you ready, girls? Very serious tribute to Mr. Lou.
Move forward a little, please. Come into the light. Come into the light. Come into the light. That's better.
Okay. Here's a story from not long ago of Old Birds 1 and 2. It tells of their struggle with a horrible foe, the tyrannical King Twit known as Lou. Old Bird 1 enjoyed comfortable shoes and sandals helped her aching toes. But the Twit complained and gave her the blues, shouting, "You know I can't stand the sight of toes." He whined and he wailed, grimaced and guffawed at the sight of Old Bird 1's feet. "Put on some socks," he hemmed and he hawed. "I'll buy you 6 pairs, my treat." Old Bird 2 had a warm and true heart and a soprano voice made of gold. Well, that sweet old hen was doomed from the start to sarcasms and jabs oh so cold. "Hurry up," he roared. "Push those carts. We've got withdrawals to sell." The Twit had an icy tongue for everyone but his favorite, Michelle. After 6 years, Old Bird 1 had enough. King Twit's antics forced her to retire, leaving poor Old Bird 2 alone deep in the rough, stuck in the Twit's verbal quagmire. After a few months alone, Old Bird 2 was ready to wring her own neck in frustration. So she called Bird 1 her favorite Old Betty, and they plotted Twit's elimination. "We don't want to hurt him, just send him away. Far north to the Cowpie Hill. A transfer will be just desserts for inflicting on us all these ills." Aha! They cried with a fiendish cackling, and made them change their tune. The very best way to get him a packing, tell him there's a cheesecake factory coming soon. Oh, he'll pack his bags and head north quite gladly when he hears that they are building that winter, and he'll talk to the staff, wide-eyed, quite madly, about the factory's fried chicken dinner. And to sweeten our trap, to further ensnare him, we can tell him that during break time, he can stop in and say a quick prayer at Hereford's new B. Arthur Shrine. When they told him of this, King Twit danced with glee. In an hour, he packed up his junk, the candy jar, the sodas, the sweet iced tea, with the walker from Bob's office in the trunk. Like Cinderella at the end of the ball, who sped off doing about 82. So may this serve as a lesson to you all, never underestimate what 2 old birds can do.
Very nice.
I knew you weren't.
Oh, you get to keep the cow. So you harass the cows up there instead of the staff. This, the bottom one is this. We got you. It was one of the last batches of peanut butter.
My favorite.
But made from the Peter Pan.
Oh,
Peter
that
Pan.
I know, that's what she said.